it's Nikki. Welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this Instagram baddie makeup tutorial. I posted a picture with this makeup look like a week ago or a few days ago. I'm gonna put it up here, and I did a poll and majority of you guys voted to have a tutorial for this look, so here it is. I really love this look and I love the way it came out, and I used a lot of affordable things too, so it's not anything that's like not affordable. So baddie on a budget, balling on a budget. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so the eyes are just gonna be real simple. I know I'm real close to y'all, but yeah, so my eyebrows are done, obviously. And like I just said, the eyes are real simple. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Powder Kit, and I'm using medium to tan. And I'm going to take the shades that I used to contour, which is this shade over here, and then this shade. I'm just gonna mix them or whatever, and I'm going to be applying that into my crease. And that's all we're basically doing for the eye or eyeshadow. So if you want to add a wing, you can, and I always add a wing. So I'm going to take my wing liner from e.l.f. and I'm going to be making my little cute wing. As you just saw, I did mess up on my wing a little bit, but it's okay because I always like to go in with my concealer anyways and just perfect the wing. So next I'm going to take some mascara and I'm going to apply that to my lashes just so that it's like dry before I add on my little falsies. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to move on to my face, and I'm going to be using the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. Foundations on, I'm going to use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in shade medium 28, originally medium 30, and I'm going to just highlight my face. going to take this Ulta mineral setting powder and I'm going to set my highlight. So I lightly took some of the powder and I put it all over my face. So now we are going to contour, and I'm using the same shades that I used on my eyes from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit. So next I'm taking this rose water spray and I'm going to just spray my face. And then after that I'm going to take this, well, let it set a little bit. And then I'm going to take this e.l.f. highlighter, baked blush and highlighter, or baked highlighter and blush, and I'm going to use that to highlight my face. So pigmented. Okay, so now that my lashes are on and everything, the last thing to do is lips. So I'm going to be using a combination of ColourPop Cloudscape and Anastasia Beverly Hills Naked. Okay guys, so that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love this look. It's kind of like an everyday look for me because every day I don't feel like putting on like a full beat of makeup, but like it's just enough. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and to comment and to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.